To make a leather sheath for a boning knife, start with an accurate drawing. This pattern is one piece folded along the spine with a flat gusset, two-tone wear leather, and a pull tab strap closure. I use AutoCAD to draw 1:1 scale, then print the pattern in 1/8 of an inch acrylic for sturdy cutout templates. An easy way to cut out the leather pieces is to clamp the acrylic pattern onto 3 to 4 ounce vegetable tan saddle leather and drag a hobby knife along the edge to make the parts. Glue in a flat gusset to one side so the blade of the knife can be tightly fitted without cutting into the stitching as the knife is pulled in and out of the sheath. When the glue is dry, only mark your stitching seams on the side of the gusset because the other side will be punched through after glue up. The best way to evenly spread leather dye is with an airbrush, but a sponge works great too. The eco-friendly solvent dyes used here are charcoal black for the body and range tan for the trim and pull tab. Skiving down the edges removes excess bulk, which helps to create a sunken seam with a more refined, rounded shape after the sheath is stitched together. This is a simple sheath pattern with few parts, so it is easy to assemble. The keeper holds the strap in place to stop the blade from coming out of the back of the sheath when the knife is transported. So to make the keeper hold tightly, fit and stitch the keeper around the pull tab. When it is time to glue and stitch on the bottom of the strap assembly, leave the strap itself to be glued and stitched into place around a curved handle after the body is assembled to ensure the most accurate fit. A simple wooden dowel works great as a tool to shape the leather around, and acrylic glue-up jigs help to line up the seams where they are supposed to be. Adding an acrylic top coat to the interior of the sheath helps to protect against moisture, and a 1-inch strip of wear leather along the top adds a decorative touch and makes it easier to pull the knife in and out of the sheath after it is stitched into place. Acrylic glue-up jigs work great to distribute the glue with even pressure to create a flat seam as the glue dries. A stitching pony is a very helpful tool. You can stitch passing the leather back and forth between your hands, but the stitching pony makes it a lot easier to evenly tension the thread. After the body of the sheath is stitched together, the pull tab latch can be glued into place around the curve of the knife handle, and the remaining leather can be cut off. The last step is to finish all the edges and apply some leather conditioner to soften the leather, which helps to stop the leather from cracking as it is used. This sheath took me about 6 hours to complete from start to finish, not including the drying time. The details like the pull tab latch takes the most time, but is also the part of a custom knife sheath that is the most rewarding.